Just deep breath in. There you go. Let it all relax. Oh yeah, good job. Now see, he doesn't even hardly phase him anymore. He does so good at it. That's it. That's perfect. Good job.
There, got a little bit of force, right? Don't be alarmed by that. It's not such a big deal. Okay? Do this all the time. Just right here, it's a... That's just hold that into that position.
So we're going to make a correction here. Just let that relax. There we go. Perfect.
Get the right angle. There it is. Nice and easy. No moving. One more. There.
Oh my god.
That's that one. Here. Easy. Easy. Good.
Oh my god.
And right here. This is where the big hump is. No, relax, relax. You gotta be up. I got it. Okay, come up. Face down.
Just relax this for me now. There we go. Now you should have felt that all the way down. Yeah. Deep breaths. Okay, let your head relax right in my hand now. I got you. There you go. Same here. Okay, good.
And there we go. Perfect. Good. There we go. And remember that this is the hip that is rocked backwards, and the short leg, it moves this way. Perfect. How'd that feel?
And out. Good. Let that go. Really good. Okay, one more this side. And big breath in and out. Exhale. Okay.
Oh, Jesus, yes. Oh.
Big breath. Oh, good. Sold out for that one. Yeah. You got enough room over here? Yeah. Okay.
And then I can pick out where I want to adjust. And I'm just going to take a little contact and we're going to push there. And we got a little release. And here I want to get this, what's called the sacroiliac joint, a little freer. And I also had a lumbar vertebra still a bit tight. There it goes right there. And there we go. Okay.
Just relax here. Wow. See, your neck's already going. His neck is very hypermobile in here. Feels like he's a self-adjuster. Good, nice. You okay with that one too? Yep. Good.
你放松，你别配合，就是你的就是放松就行，他自己一跟着来的，就是力量损耗了，这已经他提不上来了，降的手。
Good. Bueno. You okay?
Yes.
Right in here. Good.
Relax, relax. Gotta get the right angle here. There it is. It's right there. Good.
Oh my word.
My goodness.
Easy. Right there. Good.
get right on C5 and just make a nice little adjustment right there.
That one more time is quite a bit. All right. I'm read. It's like I have a wire inside. I can read it. Yeah, it's all. The more you do that, the better off. Yeah. Feel that? Yeah.
Beautiful. We're going to go around the other side. Move another bone in the neck. Beautiful adjustment. Excellent.
Excellent. Boy, oh boy. Okay, nice deep breath in through your nose. Let all your air out and just relax this. Now you should have felt that all the way down. Yeah. Okay. Okay, just drop your head in my hands. There you go. Okay, I got one more. Drop it in my hand. How did I know that? Okay, good.